In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a fade effect in Darktable. If you're looking to give your photos a smooth, atmospheric touch, you're in the right place. Let's dive right into it. The first thing you'll want to do is open your photo in the darkroom view. This is the heart of Darktable's editing workspace, where you can apply a variety of manipulations and enhancements to bring out the best in your image. Once you're in Darkroom, let's go straight to activating the Tone Curve or RGB Curves module. These tools are essential for achieving the fade effect. They allow you to adjust the tonal range of your image delicately. Now here's where the magic begins. You'll want to lift the black point of the curve slightly. By doing this, you lighten the shadows, which gently creates that coveted faded look. It's a subtle change, but introduces a whole new mood to your photo. The key here is moderation. Just a slight lift makes all the difference, so adjust until it looks just right without washing out the darker areas too much. After you've achieved the initial fade, let's move on to adjusting the midtones and highlights. The goal here is to maintain overall balance. You don't want to lose detail in these areas as you transform the darker shades, so tweak these settings to ensure your image remains harmonious and retains its depth. At this point, if you're aiming for an even softer effect, you can optionally reduce contrast slightly, using the contrast module. This further enhances the fade, taking any harshness out and giving your photo a more dreamlike quality. Remember, like with the curve adjustments, these tweaks are all about subtlety. A little goes a long way. Finally, to complete your faded masterpiece, it's time to fine-tune the colors. Use the Color Balance RGB or Color Zones module for this step. Here, your focus is on matching the mood you're aiming for with your adjustments. Whether you want to evoke a warm, nostalgic feel or a cool, relaxed vibe, adjusting the color balance will help you get there. It's these tiny adjustments that personalize the fade effect, making it truly unique to your vision. And there you have it. That's how you create a fade effect in your photos using Darktable. This process may seem intricate, but once you're familiar with the controls, it really becomes a creative exploration. I hope you found this guide useful and that it encourages you to experiment and bring your artistic vision to life. Don't forget to bookmark this tutorial for whenever you want to add a timeless fade to your images. Happy editing!